Hello everyone. This will just be a quick little demonstration video showing how we add or subtract elevation from our gun depending on the difference in elevation between us and our target. In the bottom left you can see we have a drone set up watching our target. Same target as the artillery computer demonstration video. So our current distance from that target is approximately 3,150 meters. So, as you can see on this range table for the Sholef, however that's pronounced, we are aiming somewhere between 1325 and 1315. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take a ranging shot at 1325. Obviously, if we were to fire... Actually, no. We're going to take the shot at 1320, since that is roughly where our target is. So, let's get it out of this. And we're going to set our azimuth, or not azimuth, but elevation to 1320. And we're going to take a shot. Boom. Let's go ahead and jump into the turret and watch for the splashdown. Should be about 48 seconds. See, we landed quite a bit short. That is because the terrain is rising up to intersect with our firing arc. Now, if our target was at around the same elevation as us, we would be more or less dead on. But as we are not, we have to make a few slight adjustments. So, let's take a look at what the adjustment is for this. You can see in this range we're looking at about 2.7 to 2.8, depending on how many 100 meter, or depending on each 100 meters of rise. So I've done the math already for this. We are roughly 221 meters below this target. So we have to subtract roughly 5.4 mils from our gun elevation. So we are going to set it to... I need to get out of the drone turret. We are going to set it to approximately 1314, since we would be rounding up to 6 and subtracting 6 from 1320. So let's put a shot out. Let's put a few shots out, actually. Takes a minute. switch back to our turret. Now, judging by the table here, we have roughly about 46.8-ish seconds to wait. There's one. There's two. There's three. I believe I only shot 4 rounds. There's 4. Let's just sit tight for a second, see if I put out a 5th round. I did not. So, as you can see, these rounds were all roughly within the same radius. Keep in mind that firing at this sort of range comes with a considerable displacement. However, you can see my testing earlier, I was firing at roughly the same elevation, and I got pretty close. So that should describe how we adjust our gun elevation based on elevation changes.